and dip. Bring your purse. Follow the technique.
Get out of my car! Now! Get out of my car! Right here! I said get out of my car! Get out of my car! What does this mean? This is so weird. That's right. The dog's not the guy.
Where is the big? Get out of my
I think you're my best quarterback of all time. See. And it wasn't up for 6'1", about 200.
I know two different ones for me.
So you go out like, can you say
Administration is right here.
Oh my god! Oh my god! No! What's it wanted? It's a big giant whited. No, I said get out of my car. Before I leave the car. Oh, sorry. You charging you. Get out the freaking. I don't see it. I see it. Get out! I'll throw this car off the freaking building. Get out of my car now. All right, I said get out.
I can say the phrase about light as jukebox. You say it, I can say the phrase about light as jukebox.